So you're thinking of moving to Lakewood Ranch? Hi, I'm Wendy Lynn with the Wendy Lynn Group. We sell real estate here in Sarasota and Manatee County. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the gated and maintenance-free community of the Isles at Lakewood Ranch. And then we're going to show you the neighborhood and all of the amenities from up above. Isles is a gated and maintenance-free community. The amenities include a resort-style swimming pool, a 6,500 square foot clubhouse with social room and catering kitchen, a fitness center, a boardwalk, and a fishing pier. There is also a playground, basketball, tennis, and pickleball courts, and a dog park. Now let's take a look at some of the drone footage we have for you. If you liked our video on the Isles at Lakewood Ranch and would like to see some more videos regarding Sarasota and Manatee County, please like, subscribe, and comment below. For the latest homes for sale, go to sunnysarasotahomes.com. I have included a link for the available Isles real estate in the description below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, if you need to sell or want to buy, just say when.